What's up, y'all? So we, did our little morning routine this morning or whatever, but we are now going to be making some green juice for y'all. This is like a little midday thing. You guys to keep the body clean and pure and all of that. But
regular.
Here is the catch. We don't have a juicer up here, so
I know I gotta get one.
We gotta make it do what it do.
Yeah.
Do what we got.
Yep. Look, hey, and look, you always gotta improvise, y'all. It's okay to improvise. That's how they used to do on TV shows to accentuate their acting skills.
Period.
You ain't gotta do all of that.
Period.
But let's just get into it.
What we're gonna do is we are going, it wasn't zoomed out. We are going to be using this Ninja Blender.
Ooh.
Ninja Blender to create us some juice.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do first, Bear? First things first, we got some kale. Now we need to wash this off. Has to be used today because it's about to go bad.
Really bad.
And once kale gets bad, it smells so bad. Ugh.
Yeah, it's when you start when you get some water to hit it, it starts to be a little fresh. It's a little ripe,
Right, but
But it's cool. It's cool. All right, so
dump that baby right in here.
Alright.
Put it all in there. Alright, so we got that. We're gonna be adding some spinach in here, but we're gonna do this kind of in phases just because everything not gonna fit in here at once. So we're gonna get it and then strain it out into the pitcher and then keep that thing moving like a well-oiled machine. Yeah, he makes the craziest sounds. I don't know where he comes up with them. I think maybe watch
dolphin. My past one.
Not a dolphin. Not a dolphin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put all the greens in here at once and get all of those things situated and blended and all of that good stuff. So put the spinach in here with this. And I might have to add some water because I don't know.
It might pop up.
Yeah, that, because it's greens, I don't know if it'll
Yeah. Because it's different with cooking, because it's when you cook, the spinach, all that water, comes out of the spinach.
Yeah.
But I don't know how it is, because I don't even make green juice, y'all, so we all learn together,
Alright, so I'm going to just put it on for right now, and then see if it does what it needs to do, but,
We'll find out.
Oh, I ain't even turned it on yet. So basically it needs a little tension. Oh, y'all, I got water spilling all inside. And this is hot. What the heck? I didn't really put hot water in there.
We can put some ice over it.
Okay, so I think that the stuff at the top is
It's stuck.
I'm gonna just get a little apple mixed in there, kind of action,
Okay. Do you cut? So how do you do it? Do you cut fours?
Yeah, I cut all the apple.
Okay.
And
Wash
then,
these.
Yes. So y'all, we gotta rinse these off and then cut them. I don't put the core in there because I don't want to destroy the blade. Now, my juicer at home, y'all.
You put a whole baby in there.
I put the whole apple in there, core, everything, all of that. It just takes care of it. So now one apple in there. I'm gonna try to blend it up as I go to make sure that it just kind of gets it, it doesn't mess up the blades too much. But we're gonna be right back. All right, y'all. So y'all can see we got a lot of juice in here. Like we put like, I don't even know how many apples to put in there.
About 6.
About 6 apples.
6 like small apples though.
All right, so what we have next is some raspberries, and we also have some blueberries right here for ya. So we're gonna put all of this in there, literally the whole thing, just blend it all up in there. Because, you know, if you don't know, like berries are really good, like antioxidants, especially blueberries. Helps to decrease inflammation in your body, help regulate you, all of that good stuff. So get your berry intake. I think this is the best way to get like your fruit and vegetable intake, honestly.
Honestly, I agree.
So that's the berries in there. You can go ahead and put those in there.
Ooh.
Blueberries.
Yep, right there.
So this is probably about to start changing color.
It's all good.
So let's see. Looks like a smooth diarrhea.
Hey, man. That's a smooth one right there.
A smooth diarrhea. Like, yeah, that's pretty much what it is.
Yeah.
But we know that some good things in there, so.
I mean, I'm always open to trying things. I mean, I know what's in it, so I'm not really tripping. And on top of that, most of the time, kale and spinach like doesn't taste like anything.
It'd be bitter.
It does, but when you add apples and other things, it's usually gonna taste better.
All right, so what we're gonna do now is we are going to let's add the lemon juice after. I feel like after we put it into now we have to transfer this into this without the pulp. Now, how are we gonna do that? Babe, just go ahead and explain it to him.
Bam! Y'all remember when we used to see that? Yeah, so basically what we're gonna do, y'all, is we're gonna basically hold this over the pitcher, and we're just going to slowly and carefully pour all the contents into here, and then just basically let it strain. That's honestly the best way to explain it.
So now, let's see how well this goes.
This is gonna be fun. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this looks like some spaghetti sauce.
What? No, it does not. I ain't never had green spaghetti sauce. Okay, start right there. Or it's gonna spill over the edges. All right, so let me show y'all this juice coming out of here. So now the test is, hold on. Y'all can see the little juice coming out. Now, if you see this, it's very, very moist still.
Right.
So we need to press the juice out. So this is the tedious part. So grab the spatula and literally just like press down. But you don't want the juice to get on the outside, so try to keep it within the contents of the. So you see, more juice is coming out now every time he presses. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue this for as long as we need to, and we're gonna come back and show you guys how much juice we're able to get out of all this.
This is gonna be fun.
Let's get to pressing.
This is gonna be fun.
pressing. All right, y'all, so we got our juice, and as we're just finishing up, literally I don't even want to take it off right now because it's still like bleeding a lot, so I'm just trying to get that wound to close. Literally, the blade fell out of the blender as I was pouring it, so
basically we learned something new today. Take the blade out when you pour.
yeah.
Basically.
I forgot to do that.
Yeah.
But this is how much juice we got, and then we have to add the lemon, so we'll be right back. All right, yeah, so cutting these lemons up, and we have to put them in here. You would have thought that we had more juice in this, but this is actually, it's an okay amount for what we had. It probably would have been more if we had the juicer, but hey, you gotta work with what you got, right?
Yeah, just gotta do what you gotta do. Getting that all up in there. You know, you definitely gotta have that acidity.
Yes, because it's just, you know, helps make it taste a lot better.
Oh, definitely. Ooh, give you a good wrist workout.
I could never squeeze a lemon like that. You strong.
Oh, babe, don't start gassing me. Don't do that.
I could never.
This girl. See, look, this is what women like to do, y'all. Team Shawn. Just understand, whenever you're doing something, she's gonna gas you because guess what? She wants you to keep on doing it because she doesn't want to do it.
I could never do that. Wow.
But also, we want to be mindful of her latest injury.
Literally,
yeah.
it's so funny because I have a cut, literally the same type of cut right here on this hand, and that came from a can.
Oh look, the can cuts. Ooh, woo. Them things is nasty.
Okay, my fingers all cut up.
They hurt.
Just trying to make a video. All right, so now we just gotta stir this up and ready to serve on ice.
Ice.
All right, so we're gonna have Shawn pour us up a nice cold brew of juice.
All right, so
let's remind them of what is in this glass of juice.
All right, so we got kale.
I don't need a full glass.
Oh dang, girl, you don't like all your vegetables? I like vegetables.
That's enough. I think that's enough.
I'm trying to get you your daily serving, sweetheart.
Oh man, not a full glass.
Sweetie, it's okay. But look, all right, just to remind y'all what's in it, we have kale, spinach, lemons, raspberries, and blueberries. So you got antioxidants, you got your greens, and also you got your lemon. I forgot what the lemon is supposed to do again. There's some science behind it, but
helps to alkaline the body.
there you go. But everything else helps to decrease inflammation. And look, if you want to even de-inflammatory, if you want to deflame yourself a little more, get you some turmeric. You put the turmeric in there too.
Why did you put that in there?
Because I don't want to do that right now. We can do that later.
Gonna be on the toilet later.
I know, I'm good.
Let's do the taste test. Hold on, let me bring it out so they can see us. Okay. Not bad.
It's good.
Not bad.
Now look, the key, oh yeah, also I forgot, apples. Gotta add apples. Anything, whenever you add apples to like a green juice, for some odd reason, it takes on the taste of the apple. So you don't really taste the berries, you just taste more apple. Which I'm cool with.
All right, y'all, so.
I'm cool with this, it's good.
Y'all need to make y'all some green juice. Y'all seen it here first, but make sure you take the blade out the blender because.
Don't cut yourself, y'all.
Sweetheart, but I have a surprise. Shawn doesn't know this, but this is his lunch.
Oh, you got jokes, huh?
This is your lunch, Shawn, I'm serious.
Okay, well, we're gonna see what you have for dinner then.
Huh? Wait.
Since you wanna play.
What do you mean?
Well, remember, I also got my coworkers. So, I don't know what you wanna eat for dinner then. Let's see what we have. We got some cupcakes.
Wow! Okay.
Yeah,
That's how you want to play.
That's how you want to play. I'm good with that,
okay,
sweetheart.
we're gonna see if y'all want to see what he do to me. I'll make sure to film if he tries some stuff.
Hey, look, you want to say this our lunch? This is your lunch too, then.
Not my lunch. All right, y'all. We're gonna see y'all later.
Peace.
Cheers.